1, 2, 3.
Lamp was burning, draw nearer, in the glowing, come sing and be merry. Lamp was burning, draw nearer, in the glowing, come sing and be merry. Lamp was burning, draw nearer, in the glowing, come sing and be merry. But you are not alone in battle, alone in order. You are not alone, I promise. Standing together, we can do anything. Stuck in the wheel. Have I ever taste? Have I ever taste today?
Love that.
You are not alone in all this. You are not alone, I promise. Standing together, we can do anything. You are not alone. Hi, the good taste. Hi, the good taste today.
I can see there are a lot of sentences written by sentences 1 to sentences 1. Alright, both things are same. It's okay. And there is a whole with Arya read. Arya. Are you finished? Have you finished? Good boy. Putha, give me a high five, please. All together. All together. 1, 1, 2, 3, start. Audibly. 1, 2, 3, start.
He's watching the TV.
Right, okay, let's see to the third one. Your chance. 1, 2, 3, start. Are you ready?
Yes!
Alright, okay, let's see. First one, okay? He is watching TV.
He's watching TV.
He is watching TV.
He's watching TV.
He is walking.
He's walking.
He is riding.
He's riding.
He is driving.
He's driving.
Right, okay. She is driving.
She's riding.
She is feeding.
She's feeding.
He is speaking.
He's speaking.
She is giving.
She's giving.
They are drinking.
Yeah, what are you doing there?
They are dancing.
Yeah. What's that? What are you doing that?
We make roti.
How many rotis are you preparing today? Can you tell me what are the things you used for that?
First, we need flour
Yeah.
and coconut
Yes.
and salt,
Yeah.
coconut oil,
Yes.
water.
Yeah. Yeah, Aparna, Sadisha, what's going on here? What are you doing there? Sit me. Yes. Can you describe it to your friends? Yeah.
Blender is not working.
So that blender is
What is the last one? Great, great, very good. Thank you. Okay, chance, all of you.
We're standing alone with just in sky. The sun was red tonight. Beyond the stars, we're reaching for more. There's something need to die.